Everyone, I'm Barry. Today I will share with you a story named Motorcycles. A motorcycle has two wheels. People ride motorcycle from place to place. This type of motorcycle goes very fast. Some riders race them around a track. These types of motorcycle can go on dirt roads. Some riders use them to do amazing tricks. This type of motorcycle is comfortable. Some riders use them to go on long trips. This type of motorcycle is good in traffic. Some riders use them to go around city. This type of motorcycle has flashing lights. Some police use them to keep people safe. This type of motorcycle has sidecar. Some riders take friends along the ride. People should wear helmets when they ride motorcycles. Dogs should wear helmets too. Goodbye.